Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word a butterfly tattoo in depth. First, the definition. A butterfly tattoo means a decorative body art symbolizing transformation and beauty. Think of it simply as a small, colorful image inked on the skin that represents change and beauty. Sometimes it can also symbolize freedom or rebirth. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. A butterfly tattoo became popular in Western culture during the 1980s as symbols of change. Over time, it's been used by many people who want to express personal transformation and growth. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use a butterfly tattoo in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She got a butterfly tattoo on her shoulder to represent her personal growth. Correct example 2. My friend chose a butterfly tattoo to celebrate her new beginning. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to a butterfly tattoo my car, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using a butterfly tattoo correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. A butterfly tattoo means a decorative body art symbolizing transformation and beauty. It comes from popular tattoo trends in the 1980s, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with a butterfly tattoo down in the comments. Get creative, and if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.